Today it's really so windy. It's really windy today. Very windy. This is because we're just the weather is we're just changing the season from summer to winter. So yeah, it's really windy today. That's why even if you check here in there is no water today. Water is not running. This is because of a lot of wind today. Because yes, if there will be water, definitely people are going to get wet because of the wind will be splashing the water to people. I even think maybe the ferries are not working today, but I'm not so sure. It's good enough we didn't really book any tour because I was like, it's good season to go and have a tour. Let's take a very good picture of this statue here. This is the fountain. There's 3 statues that are holding the plate. Anyways, let's go to work. The kind of food that is here today, it's something else. But anyways, I feel it's better because at least it makes the sun is not really too much because sometimes the sun can be a lot. So yes, let's walk around as we go to work and enjoy the view. So guys, stay tuned and enjoy. And guys, comment down below where you're watching from. Let me know if you love my videos, anything you want me to improve on, any other area you want me to go to. Yeah, I will gladly do that. Let's just take a closer view. We have actually a restaurant there. But I need to be more careful because there is a lot of wind and it can blow away my phone. That's why today actually people are very less. They are not more. People are very less because of the weather. Is too much. I'm imagining if I could be wearing a wig today. There we have Bank of Valletta over there. One of the things why I like about Valletta, like you can easily find anything that you need. It's really easy available. You can easily find them. See here. Let's check this out. Anyway, let's keep going. Oh my god, it's really crowded. Just imagine this street, how crowded it is. Only one street, how crowded it is. So imagine going to other streets as well. It will be more and more crowded. There is a lot of shops around here. Here, if you want to buy any watches, anything around here, earrings. The other side, there is a mall as well. If you want to buy shoes over there, the main footwear, I want to come here and buy my boots there. That's my next visit when I'm coming here. place over there if you want to grab something and eat. There we go, Pandora. This is how crowded it is. So guys, I think that's enough for today. If you want to buy your swimsuit wear over there. Even though it has been raining today in the morning, but the weather is still hot. There is a lot of humidity, but at least the wind is helping today.